Good morning. We are here at High Tech Day 2023. It is the big day, the big reveal. I'm standing here with Tais from Foxtron, who is part of the Model B group. He's going to tell us more about the car and what this means, the platform, and the offerings that we can give. Tais.
Right. Thank you. So thanks for the opportunity to let us introduce the vehicle. This is our Model B. It is the second car and the smallest car that we built on our open EV platform. The key about this car is, of course, we want to target a slightly more younger audience compared to the previous Model C that we developed. So it is shorter. It's about 4.3 meters in length. The wheelbase of it is about 2,800. And if you check out the interior later, we did a slightly different interior compared to the Model C. It is more modernized. It's targeted towards a more younger generation. And of course, a very key thing about our vehicle and platform is that we have a very unique EA architecture within the car, and that allows us to do very interesting development. So essentially, our EA architecture is a centralized architecture. So instead of having multiple different controllers in the car, we have one centralized controller, right? And then that's paired with zone controllers to support the energy that's needed or the power that's needed at different systems. But essentially, instead of smaller and less capable computers in the vehicles, you have now a computer that's much more capable, right? That has much more computing power. And with that, essentially, you are better protected for cybersecurity, and you can do more stuff with the vehicle.
Okay, that's great. So we no longer have the separate modules for the body, engine control, motor control, and those kinds of things.
Exactly. So that's all combined into one big box.
So it simplifies things the way the electric motor simplifies the platform.
Exactly. And that also makes it easier for what we have today, like the OTA updates, right? Because now you only have to update one, and you also have only one breakpoint in the entire system. That's very, very key.
That makes a lot of sense.
Also, with our system, it makes it also very easy to connect to other systems and work with other partners together. For instance, if someone is developing an ADAS system, right, they can connect to our system and start developing a car. Right? So a lot of companies out there, they're developing autonomous drive systems, but they don't necessarily have the expertise to develop it for a car. But we can complement them by doing this.
With the common platform.
Yes, exactly.
That's outstanding. How does the B model fit in with the rest of the vehicles that we have talked about?
Right. So the key thing, of course, is that all the vehicles that we have are on the common platform, it's the same platform. It shares all the core items that you need to build an EV vehicle. So that's high cost and long lead times and systems that's being shared. And therefore, when a partner comes to us and wants to go into the market, it saves time for them. It's very, very key. So time to market, and also overall cost efficiency as well. Because some of the partners that we work with, they don't necessarily have the full capability of building a car. This way, basically, allows them to start building EVs, but not having all the resources.
So they can build their EV on our platform.
Yes. That's a big business model of ours, basically, is that all the vehicles that we see here today are reference vehicles, right? So this is just a starting point where partners can come to us and start working on the vehicle, right? They can take as it is and start, rebadge it, and we will help them do the homologation of the vehicle. We can start selling that way. Or we can do customization to the vehicles. Of course, the Model B, smaller, but we can, have different fascia and different interior and that sort of thing. That's what we want to show off with different vehicles that we have. The Model C, of course, is towards more a family car, and that's what this one is more sportier. But our customers can do it, all sorts of customizations to it. And then make the car their identity and we can also go with component sharing, but that usually works with partners that already have those capabilities.
For ease of manufacturing then, since it's a shared platform, modular platform, would that mean that multiple models could come from the same factory or even the same line?
Yes. But it's not as easy as it sounds because though the platform is the same, there's still size differences. There's still a lot of other things that need to be taken care of. So while we develop the vehicle, there are different phases that we go through. It starts from design, going into engineering, and then the last one will be the mass production part. In that mass production phase is where we will figure out how the know-how and what we need in terms of equipment. That's what I'm thinking about.
Outstanding. It sounds like we've got the perfect platform to build for the future of EVs.
Right.
Thank you, Tais, for your
Thank
time.
you.
I appreciate
Thank you
it
for
a lot.
your time. Thank you.